Mini Kries. We met him earlier with a gory gash to his hand. He'd been playing Britain's Got Talent with his sister and her mate when his jumping act went totally wrong.
Not a good idea. He slipped on some moss and cut his hand on the gate. Chris's cut was too deep to fix in A&E, so he's back bright and early to have surgery. It's definitely looking a bit yucky.
It's gone all purple.
Kries needs a general anaesthetic, so he'll be asleep for the operation. Sweet dreams.
Ready to get handy with Chris's hand is Dr. Susie Yao. Let's give her a big hand.
Enough with the hand jokes.
So we'll just give it a quick clean.
Her first job in surgery is to check for any serious injuries.
Inside your hand, there are lots of nerves, tendons, and blood vessels. These things are vital to your hand, and so they are wrapped in a protective tissue called the palmar fascia. If Chris's cut goes deeper than this protective layer, it could lead to complications. Over to you, Dr. Susie.
There is always a risk that these important structures can be damaged. And if they're damaged, then in the long run, that can cause poor healing and poor function.
Time for a thorough examination. Gross alert.
Amazingly, he has not breached his fascia. Very lucky.
Great news. Now it's time to prep the cut ready for stitches.
What I did was I took away a little bit of tissue on either side of the cut. It's important to create a brand new, fresh edge for the skin to heal nicely.
And they've stitched him up in no time.
Lovely job.
Over in the recovery room, our patient is still feeling a bit sleepy after his operation. Whoa, bit wobbly there, Kries.
But don't worry, the anaesthetic will wear off very soon.
Anything you've learned from this?
Don't climb over fences.
And will you be entering any more playtime talent contests?
This is one act Simon Cowell won't be seeing anytime soon.
Bye, Mini Kries.